In this video, I want to clear up any confusion about adding a Suica card to an Android device and whether it's actually possible. As you might already know, Suica works easily and directly with Apple Wallet. On an iPhone, you just open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and Suica appears under the transport card options. But things are different on Android. Even though you can add some transport cards in Google Wallet the same way by tapping the plus sign, you still won't see Suica listed, even if you're in Japan. The reason is simple. Your phone needs to support Japan's NFC standard called NFC Felica, and most Android phones sold outside Japan don't have the required hardware. This means that if you're traveling to Japan with a regular Android phone, it's basically impossible to add Suica digitally. The phone simply doesn't have the NFC chip needed for it to work. That's why Google Wallet doesn't show the option. However, if you buy an Android phone in Japan, Suica will most likely appear as an option because those phones include the necessary NFC Felica support. It's inconvenient, but that's how it works right now. For iPhone users, there's no issue at all. Suica is available on any standard iOS device. This video is meant to help people understand these limitations before they travel. If this explanation helped answer your questions, please consider subscribing. Around 83% of viewers are not subscribed, and your support helps us create better videos.